everyone, welcome to the latest edition of Tutorial. This week, month, year, we're making Negronis for Negroni Week. Coming up in June, we are going to be donating $1 for every Negroni to Beyond Blue, which is good for helping out people with mental health issues, anxiety, depression, whatnot. Pretty big in this day and age. But let's start off with our Negroni. So, Negroni, originally invented by Negronicus, an ancient Stoic philosopher, and then rediscovered not so long ago in the early 2000s by his distant relative Steve. It's equal parts of gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. As Steve says, it's a banger. So, Blue Dog Gin, named after the Blue Healer, so it's a good Australian product. You pour this, into there. Equal parts, 20 mils. 20 mils. And sweet vermouth. 20 mils. Now, we shake. Add a little bit more ice. Give it a good zest. So we're going to take a bit of skin from around the orange, give it a twist, get those oils over the top. It's going to be amazing. There you go.
I love it. Get a bit of shake going, get a bit of froth going.
Where's the cameras?
Alright, I'm recording.
Hello everyone, welcome to the latest edition of Tutorial.
Reset it.